Did you know that 70 to 80% of our immune system is located in our gut, and that the best way to support immunity, especially in these times, is by supporting our gut health? A lot of patients that come to see me are concerned these days about supporting and boosting their immune system. What surprises me is that most conventional doctors and most of the experts in the media are not talking about the one most important way to ensure a healthy, robust immune system. And the headline is, it's not a vaccine. It's a fact that humans have more bacterial cells, a lot more, than even human cells. Bacteria live on our skin, our nose, our ears, and in our mouth, and most of all, in our gut. The collection of these bacteria, viruses, and fungi are known as the gut microbiome. Until recently, most people didn't even think about those bacteria at all. We tended to think of them as fairly separate from us. Yes, they help with digestion, but otherwise they stay on their side of the intestinal lining and we stay on our side. But in fact, there's a lot of interaction between the body's immune system and the bacteria in our gut. Researchers are now figuring out that the composition of our gut changes in different disease states. How the body's immune system interacts with these tiny hitchhikers are particularly how the relationship may function in disease. Since our gut microbiome is influenced by the food we eat, the toxins we are exposed to, exercise, and restorative sleep, a healthy gut means a healthy, robust immune system. And since the balance of the bacteria in our gut influences the balance of our immune system, an unbalanced bacteria flora, for instance, too many opportunistic or pathogenic bacteria, can shift the immune system to an increased inflammatory state we now call leaky gut. If you want to go deeper and learn the secrets of how to heal your gut and support your immune system, register for my free video series on gut and healthy immune system. Simply click the link next to this video.